Anytime an umpire-batter interaction starts like this, it's not going to end well.
To 4 against the Astros here tonight.
Before you ask, yes, there is an actual rule about this, and it's 5.04. Plate umpire Alfonso Marquez is telling Cabrera, "Get in the box. My boss, Manfred, is all about this pace of play. You have to get in the box." Cabrera says, "Don't rush me." Wade Miley says, "If you're going to take so long to do it, I might as well quick pitch you." So Miguel Cabrera is a little bit upset at the umpire for rushing him. He's sure ticked about the pitcher rushing him as well, and he's going to fly out, but watch him brood. He's going to come back to the dugout. As he's coming back, he sort of smirks a little bit, smiles, and then he'll tell his teammates, "Man, it's crazy out there." And that's going to fester for an inning. Next batter is Brandon Dixon. This is what Cabrera is doing during that at-bat. He's still ticked. It's going to continue.
How about you?
Cabrera notices that Alvarez, the batter for the Astros, did not get rushed and was allowed to do his pre-appearance checks outside of the batter's box. So he yells. And Alfonso Marquez, the plate umpire, notices. Nonchalant ejection. Gardy's going to ask what happened. He's going to claim that Cabrera wasn't even talking to him. Fonzie's going to say, "I warned him 3 times," and so on.
He got his money worth, that's for sure.
It's one of those, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to my pitcher, telling him, "Hey, quick pitch this guy." The umpire won't call it. So yeah, that kind of is a shot at the umpire, but not directly. Oh, by the way, there's a camera there. Bye.